that boss music. It's your boy Hops, nigga. As you know, nigga, I've been busy till not working. Getting money on the booth, nigga. I be in that booth with some real niggas. Ask about me, nigga. I may be real, nigga. Your homies know it too, nigga. They just got gunned down, nigga. They got gunned down for talking that smart shit. They be on the book talking some hot shit. They be reckless as fuck. I be in the bitch with back of the truck. I be in the back of the truck with your bitch, nigga. She be on my dick so hard I can't breathe, nigga. Ask your bitch about me last night, nigga. I beat that thing up wet, nigga. Bloody pussy, nigga. It was a bloody murder. It was a murder scene. What you know about me, nigga? Getting cake, flipping block, nigga. Tripping 100 millions, stacking up in hundreds, nigga. I be putting rubber bands around the chicks, nigga. That's that boss money music, nigga. You ain't about it, nigga. Don't come in my face. Don't come around me, nigga. I only fuck with day ones. Never know new friends, nigga. Fuck you talking about, nigga? I pull that trigger back while I pop that gun, nigga. I'll bleed your face, nigga. I'll leave it all over the ground, nigga. While I step on this some rounds, nigga. I got them rounds on that AK, nigga. It's got the revolver on it, nigga. If my homies don't see you, nigga, we'll spray you niggas. Leave you niggas lame like some fake niggas. You niggas ain't no real niggas. Y'all niggas some clowns, nigga. You be in my lane, nigga. I'm in the lane you can't be, nigga. This is Kansas country, nigga. I'm that hot nigga. I'm that top nigga. I'm top notch, nigga. Like your bitch pussy. It's wetter than a whoopee cushion, nigga. The bitch stink. Tell her home she can take it home, nigga. I just gave her that raw dick, nigga. She just loving every minute of it, nigga. Put your bitch in the shower, nigga. I just bend her over. This is what you pushing, nigga. This is wet over. This that life that they dream of. Getting cake, getting flops, getting creams up. I just fucked your dream girl, nigga. Every bitch in the queue, they all know me, nigga. But I don't give a fuck, nigga. I'm proud about it. I just love to show off. Ask everybody. They'll tell you about me. If you don't know about me, ask your bitch about me. She'll tell you about me. I'm that top, nigga. They're getting top, nigga. Me and my boys, we getting top, nigga. They be on that game shit, but they ain't really with it. Cause I'm really with it. At the age of 16, I was in that booth. I was in the can. I just took this charge for this little man. Cause he couldn't take it. Cause he was 15. I was in that cake, nigga. I was in the carries, nigga. You niggas ain't on my level, nigga. They some pussy niggas. They being scary, nigga. Let them niggas drive by. Cause they don't know me, nigga. They ain't ready for that outcome, nigga. I'll hit you hard with that impact, nigga. I'll hit you so hard, nigga, make your mama feel it. I just smacked her with that backhand. I don't give a fuck. Now she ran with that black man. All these white girls going after them black boys. That's okay, cause I took them black bitches down too. So it's alright. I guess we equal then. I guess we even then. Yeah, when I see you, man, that's word to my son. Got them fully choppers on that gun. I got that red Rover. Call that homie Chun. I got that Tommy gun. When you see me, homie, I have a lot of fun. I be partying it up, nigga. I be drinking so heavy, they all know about me, nigga. I be in that team, nigga. She be with the team. She just fucked the whole team. Asked about me, nigga. She just asked about me, nigga. She don't know about me, nigga. How you ask about strangers, nigga? She just asked about the whole team, nigga. She was like, can I get your number? I'm like, fuck no. I'm like, bye, bitch. You just a dumb hoe. You be wasting your time with them lanes. I ain't with that shady shit. I'm a real man. I'm that main chopper, nigga.